When using images in documents, slide presentations, e-textbooks, etc., always include alternative text. In Google Docs, select the image and right-click on it. Select Alt Text. Now give it a description. This one's going to get a description of Aristotle holding a smartphone, because that's the gist of this image. If you're working in slides, it's much the same. Select the image, right-click it, select Alt Text, and give it a short but sweet description. This will allow screen readers to announce the image description to students who are visually impaired.